Hi all, now we will see the balance part that is coming from the reproductive phase, that is in the adolescence phase. That is two things mainly: how the sex is determined. Number two, the hormones that are responsible for causing the sexual changes. Then other hormones also. Then what are the needs or what are the cares to be taken during the adolescent period? This is the main thing you have to see. So whenever a male or a female, that sex is particularly decided inside of our body, inside of a female body. That means when the sperm fuses with the ovum. So the sex and other characters in our body is determined by chromosomes, which are made up of DNA. They are responsible for doing this. So the chromosomes which are responsible to determine the sex, that chromosomes are known as sex chromosome, and other chromosomes are known as autosomes. Then the sex chromosome, there are two sex chromosomes are there. One is X and another is Y. And when it comes to the sex determination, what is happening is that the female is having two X chromosome and male is having one X and one Y chromosome. So the Y chromosome will determine whether it is a male. Normally female there is not an issue because both the areas X and X, like the picture it is coming, X and X is present, but a male character is to be determined. It should need a male chromosome, that is Y chromosome, which comes from the XY combination. So here these XY combinations and other things, when it is done, then the changes are brought to this brought to our body. That is done through the endocrine glands. Endocrine glands means glands which are secreting hormones. They are generally considered as endocrine glands. So there are various endocrine glands are present in our body. One gland is known as the pituitary gland. They are the master gland. Then is thyroid gland is there, which is responsible for synthesizing iodine. Then adrenal gland, which helps to fight or flight situation. Pancreas, which is helping in digestion also, and helping to secrete some other hormones like insulin and all directly to the blood. Then comes the main part, that is ovary in female and testis in male. They are the main glands, endocrine glands. They secrete the hormone estrogen and testosterone. So that makes the sex in, that means sexual character, secondary sexual characters inside our body. So these secondary sexual characters were the male secondary sexual characters, that hormones are generally called as androgen, and the female secondary sexual character may that generally called as estrogen. And the hormones secreted from the adrenal glands are called as adrenalins. They are responsible to fight and flight, the whether we what to do in a situation comes, whether we have to fight or whether we have to fly, that means to run. So that will help in that. Then next comes is insulin, that is secreted by the pancreas. So they are helping to reduce the blood sugar in our body. Next comes is thyroxine, which is secreted by the thyroid gland, and they are synthesized with the help of iodine. So they are helping us to maintain the full body balance. The last one, that is the pituitary gland, it is a master gland. They controls all the secretion. If the pituitary gland is not function properly, other endocrine glands will never work at all. So it is very important for the pituitary gland to do its work. So pituitary gland secretes growth hormones. Pituitary gland secretes thyroid stimulating hormones, which helps the thyroid gland to synthesize thyroxine and release to the body. So the pituitary gland secretes follicle stimulating hormones that will help us to produce follicles, either testis or ovum, inside the male or the female body. So these type of functions are all controlled by the pituitary gland. So we are calling pituitary gland as the master gland. And finally, that is coming, that is whenever this reproductive health, because in nowadays there are a lot of issues are coming to the reproductive phase. So the food plays a major role, especially the adulteration in the food causes a lot of reproductive health issues. So when this is done, when that is happened, the only thing what we can do or eat is the balanced diet. That is most of the time the diet depends upon the area where we are living. So you can use roti, dal, uh, amla, and other things like chips, hydrated chips, water. I'm not saying to avoid 100 percentage, but reduce its consumption. Many of the people they eat only those type of foods that will be very not good for the health. Then personal hygiene is very much important to keep the near to the sexual organs clean. Then sweat glands, when now these at by time of adolescent age, sweating will be a big issue. So we have to wash the underarms and other areas, otherwise it will cause bacterial and fungal growths. Then exercise is also important to maintain the secretion of these hormones properly. And we have to say no to the drugs. Drugs means any chemicals which will give you hallucination effect. So that also should be avoided. Whenever we are using these drugs, what will happen is they use the same needles which are used by the others, which is responsible, may cause HIV diseases like HIV and hepatitis C, those deadly diseases which don't even have a treatment. And there are a lot of myths or taboos which was followed in each and every area. That means some areas they are considering like the male child is not, female child is not good, the male child is required, and females are not allowed to work in the kitchen um, during the menstrual cycle. Those are just a myth. There is nothing, no relation between those things. So with this chapter is ending. So in the coming days I will give you the homework, sorry, question answer and other things related to this chapter. And if there is any doubts related to this, please let me know. Yeah, one more thing, there are some hormones are playing in the during metamorphosis stages. That means the insect's hormone thyroxine is that hormone which helps the butterfly to do its metamorphosis process. So this also you have to add, I have forgot to say that. So if there is anything missing or if anything that you have not understood, please let me know. I will take this class again. Thank you. And read the textbook very much. How much as possible, please read the textbook more. Thank you.